Okay, hello everyone. This is Emmanuel. Today we are going to see about C++ tutorial. So we began our C++ tutorials by downloading our application to develop C++. That is called Quincy. So please open your Google and write Quincy download so we can get this Quincy 2005 1.3 download. So we will download this Quincy app. The icon is like this. So scroll down and click on download button. You will download your Quincy app. So it's app that you can develop C++ tutorials. I already downloaded, so I will write Quincy, so I will get it. This is the app. After you download it, when you open, you will get this kinds of thing. So this is a place where we do our C++ programming. So you will click on this new button. You will get C++ source file. Okay, this is called text1. We will zoom up like this. So we will write our codes over here. We will write hash include iostream .h. Let us save it. May I save it on desktop? First C++ tutorial. So I will save it. I will get the color change here. So it's the color change over here. For now it's good. We will see other things like when we finished our source code, we will debug or run it. Our shortcut F9, our tools, Windows programming. So you can guide over here. You can get your guide over here, and some other things. You can zoom it, your source code, and on the next tutorial we will begin write our source codes. For now, please go to your Google and download Quincy. After you download it, we will begin our course on the next video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and comment me. See you later. Bye.